Good morning, grade 5 pupils.
Good morning, teacher.
Good
Okay,
morning,
Good
teacher.
morning, teacher.
welcome to English. And today you will have a game, and you will have to guess it. And I will have to call each one of you, and I will have to give you 5 or 3 to 5 points. Are we clear?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Very good. Okay, the first picture. Adlawan, what have you observed in this picture?
As I have observed in the picture, teacher, I've seen a little girl wearing a red hood and a wolf teacher wearing a hat.
And how about the second? Cornato?
Yes, teacher. The color of the wolf picture is blue.
Fantastic.
Ang hat teacher, orange teacher.
Very good. Uh, Cornato and Adlawan, you have 5 points. So I will have to call another one. Deguma.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, the students, as the people raise your hand. I see Eleazar.
Um, I see a grandmother and a man.
Amazing, you'll have 5 points. How about Deguma? The next one.
Um, a woodcutter teacher.
Very good. I will call kung unsa what is our story for the day. I will call the Lagete.
The story for today, teacher, is Red Riding Hood.
Okay, you have a point. So now so now our story for the day is the the Little Red Riding Hood. Okay, we'll have to read a story. Are you interested, pupils?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Very fantastic. I will ask pupils, have you seen a wolf in real life? Raise your hand, Fountains. Cornato.
No, teacher. I've only seen wolf on movies.
How about you, Elazar? Have you seen a wolf in real life?
No, sir. In the movie only.
Daguma, do you know where the wild wolf lives?
In the wild forest, teacher.
Very good. So now we will have to read a story. Are you guys interested?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Sure.
The story is all about the Little Red Riding Hood. Story time. So our story is entitled Little Red Riding Hood. What? Once upon a time, there was a girl called Little Red Riding Hood. She lived with her mother in a village near a forest. One day, Little Red Riding Hood went to visit her grandmother. She took a basket of food with her. On her way, Little
Riding
Red Riding Hood
a
met
wolf.
a wolf.
Hello,
Hello,
wolf.
said the wolf.
Where are you
Where are you
going?
going?
I'm going
I'm
to
going
visit
to
my
visit my
grandmother.
grandmother who lives in a forest,
Explained it.
explained Little Red Riding Hood.
The wolf
The
ran to
wolf
her
ran to her
grandmother's house.
grandmother's house.
He went
He
inside
went
and locked
inside
her
and
in the
locked her
wardrobe.
in a wardrobe.
He put
He
on her
put on her
nightgown.
nightgown and got in her bed.
A little
A little
later,
later,
Little Red
Little
Riding
Red
Hood
Riding Hood came to the house.
she knocked on
She
the
knocked
door.
on the door.
The
They went inside.
Little Red
Little
Riding
Red
Hood
Riding Hood
went over
went
to
over to
grandmother's.
grandmother's bed.
Oh,
Oh,
Granny,
Granny,
big
what
ears,
big ears you have,
she said.
she said.
All the
All
better
the
to
better to hear you with,
answered the wolf.
answered the wolf.
Oh,
Oh,
Granny,
Granny,
what big
what
eyes
big
you have,
eyes you have,
said Little
said
Red
Little
Riding
Red Riding Hood.
Hood. All the
All
better
the
to
better to
see you,
see you with,
replied the wolf.
replied the wolf.
Oh,
Oh,
Granny,
Granny,
big
what
teeth you
big teeth
have,
you have,
said Little
said
Red
Little
Riding
Red Riding Hood.
Hood. All the
All
better
the
to
better to
eat
eat
you,
you with,
said
said the red
wolf.
wolf.
Help!
Help! Shouted
Red
Little
Riding
Red
Hood
Riding
as she
Hood as she
realized that there
realized
was
that
a
there
wolf
was a
in
wolf in her
grandmother's bed.
grandmother's bed.
She ran
She
out of
ran
the
out of
house.
the house.
A
A
woodcutter was
woodcutter was
he
nearby.
heard
He
Little
heard
Red
Little
Riding
Red
Hood
Riding Hood
scream
scream
and ran to
and
the
ran to the
house.
house.
The
The
woodcutter hit
woodcutter
the
hit
wolf
the
over
wolf
the head.
over the head.
The wolf
The
ran
wolf
away
ran
and
away,
Little
and Little
Red
Red
Riding
Riding
Hood.
Hood never saw him again.
And that's the
And that's the
story.
story of the Little Red Riding Hood.
And now
And
we'll
now
have
we'll have to ask the questions.
if you
If you
listen this
listen the
story.
story,
I will ask
I will
questions.
ask questions.
Adlawan,
Adlawan,
Yes, teacher.
what is the
what
main
is the main
character?
character of the story?
Who is the
Who
main
is the main
character?
character of the story?
The little girl wearing a red hood, teacher.
And what
And
is
what
the
is the
antagonist in the
antagonist in the
story?
story?
And who is the antagonist of the
Antagonist
story?
of the story?
The wolf, teacher.
Very
Very
fantastic. Right?
fantastic, 5 points.
Now we're
And now we're
done
done
in the
in the
story.
story,
Reading
reading
story.
a story.
So we
So
ask
I will
the
ask
question.
a question.
Number one.
Number one,
Who is the
who is the
protagonist and
protagonist
the
and the
antagonist?
antagonist?
Raise your hands
Raise
if
your
you want
hands
to
if you
answer.
want to answer.
Eleazar.
Eleazar,
The antagonist of the story, teacher, is a wolf who tries to deceive and harm the little girl and her grandmother. And the protagonist is the little girl because she is the main character.
5
5 points.
points. Amazing.
Number two.
Number two,
What did
what
the little
did the
Red
little Robin
Hood
Hood
brings?
brings?
Bernato.
Bernato.
A basket full of food, teacher.
And to
And
whom
to
did she
whom
want
did she
to
wants
visit
to visit
to deliver the
to
Her,
deliver
basket?
the basket?
her grandma, teacher.
Very
Very
amazing.
amazing. 5 points.
Number
Number
4.
4,
What did the
what
wolf
did the
do
wolf do
for
to
Little
fool
Riding
Little
Hood?
Riding Hood?
The Little
The
Riding
Little
Hood.
Riding Hood.
Deguma.
Daguma.
The wolf teacher is disguised as a grandma.
Ay,
Very good.
very good.
Last
Last
question.
questions.
Who
Who
helps
helps
the Little
the
Riding
Little
Hood
Riding Hood
and her
and her
grandma?
grandma?
Dalagete?
Dalagete?
Officer is woodcutter.
Very good.
Very good.
What is
What
the
is
story
the
all
story
about?
all about?
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Eleazar.
Eleazar.
Little Red Riding Hood teacher.
Standing.
I will
I
ask
will
you
ask you
questions and
questions
provide,
and
and you
provide,
will
and you will
provide
provide
explanation.
explanations.
What is
What
the
is
story
the
all
story
about?
all about?
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Eleazar.
Eleazar.
Little Red Riding Hood teacher.
Oh, what is the story of Oli? Okay. Ah. What
What
lesson did
lesson did you get,
Erica
Erica?
Adlawan?
Adlawan.
Never talk to strangers, teacher.
Very good.
Very good.
5 points.
5 points.
Today,
Today,
you will have
you
an
will have
activity
an activity
entitled
entitled
Draw Me.
Draw Me.
You will
You
have
will
to draw
have to draw or illustrate by
one
choosing one
character of the
character of
story.
the story.
You will have
You
to
will have
relate
to relate and
the
portray the
character
character
you have
you
chosen.
have chosen.
The
This is the
criteria:
criteria.
originality,
Originality 30%,
creativity
creativity
10%,
10%,
cleanliness
cleanliness
10%,
10%,
50% at
50%
total.
at total.
You have
We'll
to
have
draw
to
it
draw
on
it
a
on a
long sized
long sized
paper
bond
with
paper
margin
with margin
1
1
inch each
inch
side.
each side,
Margin.
each margin.
I hope you
I hope
learned
you learned
something.
something.
Any
Any
questions?
questions?
Clarification?
Clarifications?
No, teacher.
Alright.
All right.
That's all for
That's all
today.
for today. Thank you for listening and
Goodbye.
goodbye,
Pupils,
pupils.
Goodbye,
Goodbye.
teacher.
have a good
Have
day.
a good day.